Hello and welcome to your morning practice. My name is Keegan, the Balanced Nomad, and today is day 6 of the Gentle Morning Yoga Challenge. If this is your first time clicking on one of my videos, be sure to check out the entire challenge. The playlist link will be in the description as well. You can find it on my channel. I definitely encourage you to do the entire week to start your days with mindful movement and intention. Today's practice will be super calming and grounding and will incorporate more yin poses with longer holds. We're going to start right on our backs. And we're going to move right into our laying butterfly position. So creating a diamond shape with the legs, lying ourselves down. You can either take arms out to your side or for a gentle chest opener, just lifting arms overhead. So just choosing the option that feels best for you here, and remembering the closer we bring in feet towards us, the more intensely we'll feel this in the inner thighs. And just connecting with our breath. Observing our inhales and exhales. Grounding down in this present moment. Showing gratitude for ourselves for showing up on the mat this morning. Especially if you are part of this challenge and you've been here for all 6 days. I'm so proud of you for showing up each and every day. Throughout this practice, just trying to mindfully shift towards focusing on our breath, especially when we're in these longer held positions. The mind does tend to wander, which is only natural, but be sure to try to tune back in best you can. And taking 3 more deep breaths in this pose. We're going to move to banana pose from this position. So if arms were overhead, you can actually just keep them there. And bringing the lower body to the left side of the mat, just creating this crescent shape with the body, bringing legs over to the right side and upper body to the right. And just bringing breath to this left side, feeling this beautiful side body stretch. And we can find 3 more deep breaths in this posture. And moving to the opposite side, bringing glutes over to the right side. Legs and upper body come to the left side of the mat. And 3 more breaths here. And straightening ourselves out, just coming to center. We can roll up to a seated position from here. Maybe rocking a few times before we meet in seated. And from here, just moving to tabletop position. Our hands are underneath our shoulders and knees are underneath hips. Just moving through a few rounds of cat and cow from here, finding some movement after our stillness in our yin postures. Exhaling, rounding out through the spine, bringing chin to chest. Inhaling, dropping chest gaze comes up to the sky. Just repeating this for a few rounds. And coming back to neutral, just moving to a chest opener from here, walking hands forward, coming to puppy pose. Either bringing forehead or chin to the mat. And focusing on bringing breath to the upper body. And coming back to a tabletop, just walking hands underneath those shoulders again. And pushing ourselves to child's pose here. Either extended child's pose with knees apart or coming to child's pose with the knees together. So just take your option and dropping forehead to the mat. Moving back up to tabletop from here. And coming to our lizard pose, bringing the left foot to the outside of the right hand. Keeping chest up nice and high, we're just gonna find some circles with that left arm. Inhaling the arm back. Exhale, bringing it forward. And repeating this for a few rounds. And on your last circle, just bringing the left hand to the top of the left knee, and gaze can come over that back shoulder. Releasing that hand down. Coming back to tabletop, just moving to this lizard on the opposite side, bringing right foot to the outside of the right hand, and finding these arm circles. And when you finish your last circle, just bringing that right hand to the right knee, and gaze goes over the right shoulder. Dropping that right hand, moving through tabletop. And from here, just coming to a seated position in the center of our mat. And just finding a few twists from here. We can inhale the arms up straight. Bring that left hand to the top of the right knee, gaze is over our right shoulder. Inhaling, arms up. Finding this twist on the opposite side. Inhaling, arms up. And hands can come to prayer in front of the chest. Taking 3 deep breaths, inhaling deeply through the nose and exhaling through the mouth with a sigh. Remembering that throughout our busy day, we can always come back to the sacred space we've created. Bringing hands to the forehead, bowing forward, namaste. Thank you so much for joining me on day 6 of this challenge. I hope you're feeling nice and calm and grounded, ready to start your day on a great note. And I hope to see you tomorrow for day 7 for the final day of this challenge. Have an incredible day. Thank you so much, and I will see you soon.